I think most of us have that one cabinet in our kitchen that collects a lot of storage containers and sometimes gets very chaotic and disorganized. And that is what I'm going to be cleaning out today, so stay tuned. Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I am cleaning out my storage containers and just other random things that I have in a couple of cabinets. And I hope this video motivates you to clean out something in your kitchen as well. As always, this video is in collaboration with Sunday Dawn of The Helpful Home. I will link her channel in the description box below, along with all of the other Tiny Tidy Tuesdayers, and they give so much great motivation for all of us to stop what we're doing and do a little tiny tidy. So let's get busy. As I am taking everything out of my cabinets, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. If you happen to be new to my channel, my name is Jen. I'm a former teacher and a heart warrior. I love to make content to teach and inspire you to do things around your home. I am now a homemaker and I am recovering from heart failure. So I had to learn to do things in small steps as just everyday chores became something that I put on the back burner, and things like my cabinets and closets and all those good things became cluttered over the past couple of years. So now I am slowly, step by step, getting out of the mess and chaos, and I'm taking you guys along on this journey, and I am using my Tiny Tidy Tuesdays to do that, and I am regaining my life back in the process and getting out of this chaotic clutter that I was physically unable to get myself out of previously. But now I am doing great. I am no longer in active heart failure, and I continue to fight and strive each day.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Apparently at some point this cabinet was opened and someone was pouring a drink, so there was drink down the side of the cabinet door, which is why I'm wiping it down, and I do change my dusting cloth after this because I felt like it was dirty.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while.
I think that it is a great opportunity when you have everything pulled out of a cabinet to go ahead and clean it out, and I am using a Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. You could use vinegar water, whatever you choose to use.
I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So I decided decided that the best way to go through all of the stuff, especially the storage containers, was to take everything out of the cabinets. I did not like the idea of putting it in the floor, so I put a blanket down on the floor so I could put everything on the blanket. That was just my personal preference. I just honestly did not want to put it in the floor. So I just take time and I kind of go through things and I try to organize it, and I try to get rid of the storage containers that we no longer use. Eventually, I want to replace all of our storage containers with glass storage containers, but we have not done that yet, so I did need to keep a few. A few years ago, I tried the Beachbody system, and it just honestly was not for me, although I think it's a great program. But it did come with these little containers that you're supposed to measure out portions in, and there is a tiny little orange container, and it works so perfectly for pills. Like if you need to go somewhere and you need to take a few pills with you, it's absolutely wonderful for that. So I am going through these to make sure that I keep the little orange ones so I can use them for pills, and the other ones I am going to donate. So that's what I'm doing here. Storage containers can feel a little overwhelming when you're trying to go through them, so I just tried to do the best that I could do. I know the look on my face sometimes tells that I'm like a little stressed because there are so many, so I just get rid of what I can and what I know that we absolutely do not use. This was our rolling storage container that we had forever. It's like a little turntable, and I absolutely loved it, and I was sad to see it go, but honestly it was old enough and it needed to go. We no longer use it. I had this little white bin that is for keeping lids in, so I decided to utilize that, and then I just decided which storage containers I wanted to keep, and then I put all of my storage containers back into my cabinet.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
I loved this. It is so cute. You could put a salad in it and some dressing and take it to work with you or whatever, but we do not use it anymore, so I decided that maybe someone else could use it and it could bring them joy and be convenient for them.
We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch.
This is my thinking face. This is me trying to decide what to do with everything that I have left. The things that I have left actually go in the cabinet beside it. They are things that we use to prepare fresh fruits and vegetables. As a heart warrior, I think it's so important to eat heart healthy. So we have a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. So we have a lot of things that we need to prepare each week. And so I wanted to get that part of the cabinet cleaned out and straightened out as well. So this is all like fresh fruit. This is all an area that we use to prep our fresh foods.
Food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope this inspired you to do a tiny tidy as well. Do not forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel along with the playlist listed in my description box. Have a great Tuesday, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.